What's up guys, Yujin here. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can design a logo for free online in less than 5 minutes. And after this video you'll be able to create logos just like this using your browser. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and all the links and resources mentioned in this video will be found in the description below. Alright, so first things first, you want to go to namecheap.com/logo-maker, and then you'll come to a website that looks like this. Just scroll it down, have a look. What you want to do is just click on the create your logo button here on the top, and then you'll come to a page like this, and there'll be two fields here. So the company name and then the type of business. So in this case, I'm just going to create a fictitious business called Yujin's Photography, and then in the next section, then I will type in photographer as the business, and then click continue. Next, there'll be a section that asks you to choose the font style that you want for your logo. So you'll go through this 6 times. So each time there'll be 3 that come up, and then just pick the one that you like. And then at the end, this logo maker will generate you some ideas based on the choices that you've made. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick some now to start this process. Cool. And then you'll now land on a section here for the color scheme for your logo. So if you have a color scheme that you already have in mind, then just pick the one that you're after. But obviously in this case, and just for me, for this fictitious business, I'm just going to select the blue logo. Now you've got an option to add a slogan for your logo as well. So if you have a slogan, then just add it in here. So don't then obviously just skip it. In this case, I don't have a slogan for this business, so I'm just going to click continue. Now you come to this screen to pick an icon or a little like symbol or something for your logo. So there will be some that come up here. You can also use the search bar at the top here for an icon. So for photography business, I'm going to search for photographer and see what comes up. So maybe that one, not really, but let's try camera. Some better ones now. So we'll just select, we'll select that one, and so you can, and then you can click continue with the icons that you selected. So now the system will generate you some logos. So here's some of the results that this generator has made. So have a scroll through, see which ones you like. So let's go for this one at the top here. So once you've got this, you can also still edit the logo a little bit as well. So you can mix and match the color scheme a little bit. So here you've got some defaults on the left that show up if you click the color section, or you can change the color scheme to, in this case, earth. Have a look and see if that's something you like. I'm just going to go back to blue and see which one. Yeah, so we'll just go for that one. I mean, that color looks clean. Yeah, white as well, maybe. So I'm happy with that. Next, again, you can tweak the text as well. Again, after you've chosen the design, the slogan, if you wanted to add the slogan again, change the icon again as well if you change your mind. So you just go in and search it and then choose some different icons. Can also change, next is the layout. So in this case here, you've got the image on the left of the text. So you can change it to have no icon or have the icon above the text as well. In this case, we'll just try it without the icon. And at the bottom here, you can see that NameCheap has generated that logo onto some business cards that you can potentially design. So you can have a look and see how that would look. And also on some t-shirts, how that looks on a website, and also how that your logo looks on a hypothetical app store. It's a good bit of a mock-up. So next, what you want to do is, if you're happy with the design, then just go ahead and click sign up or log in to download. So if you have a NameCheap account and you've already bought a domain from here, then you'll already be logged in. But if you don't have an account, then you just need to sign up for a free account to get access to your logo. As you can see, it's a pretty quick and simple process. It probably takes less than 5 minutes to get logo from no logo to a logo that you can start to deploy and put in wherever that you need, whether it's on your website, on your landing pages, on your app, business card, etc. So that's quite a basic logo. It's nothing too fancy. So it's just something to get you going, especially when you're just starting out. You just want to kind of bang out these small tasks when you're just starting out a business online. Obviously later, once you're bigger, or you've got a bit of a bigger budget, or you have a clear idea of what type of logo you want for your business, then you can go and hire like a freelancer on Fiverr, on freelancer.com, and get someone to make a custom logo for you based on your specifications. All right, so that's how to create your free logo online using the NameCheap logo builder. So all you got to do is select an icon, select the color scheme, select some text that you're after, and then you'll be able to download the logo as a zip file and also create potentially a business card as well. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching my video today, and make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, see ya.